welcome. This is Black Lotus, your YouTube Super Kitty, and today we will be performing practice Python exercise number 2, and the exercise is called odd or even. The instructions are to ask the user for a number. Depending on whether the number is even or odd, print out an appropriate message to the user. In addition to that, we'll be doing extra number 1. If the number is a multiple of 4, print out a different message. So the first thing we want to do when solving this problem is to ask the user for a number. We'll call this one user num. And we'll instruct the user to please input a whole number. Okay. And since input automatically converts whatever you put into a string, we'll have to change that to an integer. And now that I have a number, I need a function to do something with it. So we'll define a function. We'll call this one odd or even. And inside we'll give it a number, which will be an integer. And if we'll work backwards, so if the number is divisible by 4, we'll tell it to multiple 4. And we'll provide an f string so we can input the number directly. Now we'll check if the number is divisible by 2, or evenly divisible by 2, making it even. We'll return with an f string. Finally, if the number is odd, we will return that it's odd. Okay, now we will separate the function from the rest of the module. We'll go ahead and indent everything. Save it and take a look. "44. We'll try again with another number, and it appears that I forgot to actually call it out. So we'll print odd or even, and we'll pass it the user number. And now we'll see what happens. That's correct. 43 is in fact odd, and then we'll type in 42. There we go. So that works. The only thing left to do is to make sure that whenever somebody inputs a number or inputs an input, we want to make sure that it's actually an integer. So we'll do that with a while loop. We'll say while true, and then we'll indent everything again. And in here we'll put a try block. Make the screen a little bit bigger. Here we will assert that user num is digit. And this digit will make sure that whatever the person put in, if it was an actual integer, not in string format, it was actually an integer. Then it will convert it, and then we'll break. If we don't, we'll raise an assertion error. And we'll print out you did not input a whole number. So everything works again. And if we input something, let's say a string, you did not put in a whole number. If we put in a boolean, it will return you did not put in a whole number. It will only work if we actually put in whole numbers. And then we'll stop. So that is exercise number 2 on practicepython.org. Odd or even. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of it.